Welcome back to Honest Ride Radar. Today, we're diving into something massive, luxurious, and built for those who want to take the road in style. Meet the Volvo FH16 Motorhome. This isn't just a vehicle. It's a mansion on wheels powered by one of the most powerful truck engines in the world. At the heart of this beast is the legendary Volvo FH16 truck chassis, originally designed for heavy-duty freight hauling across Europe's toughest terrains. But in this avatar, it's been transformed into an ultra-premium motorhome that blends power, comfort, and advanced engineering like never before. Under the hood, you get a 16-liter inline-six turbo diesel engine that cranks out up to 750 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right. 750 horses pulling your house down the highway. But raw power is only half the story. The FH16 Motorhome is all about refined adventure. The interior is a masterclass in luxury. Walk inside and you're greeted with a full-size living area featuring high-end furnishings, leather seating, wood-paneled walls, and a fully equipped kitchen. We're talking induction cooktops, a large fridge, and even a dishwasher in some builds. This is the kind of setup that makes you forget you're inside a vehicle. The sleeping quarters are just as impressive. Most layouts offer a king-size bed with top-tier memory foam mattresses, individual climate control, ambient lighting, and plenty of storage space. And of course, there's a full bathroom with a walk-in shower, premium fixtures, and sometimes even a washer-dryer combo. It's luxury living, wherever you park. Tech-wise, the Volvo FH16 Motorhome comes loaded. Expect touchscreen control panels, satellite internet, solar charging systems, and even hydraulic leveling systems that keep you stable on uneven ground. The driving experience? Smooth, confident, and commanding. The elevated cockpit offers panoramic views, ergonomic seating, and advanced driver assistance systems that make maneuvering this giant surprisingly stress-free. And let's not forget about the build quality. Everything from the chassis to the custom living unit is engineered for durability and safety. This isn't a weekend camper. It's a rolling fortress designed to go the distance in comfort and style. Whether you're a road trip veteran or someone dreaming of full-time mobile living, the Volvo FH16 Motorhome stands as the pinnacle of what's possible when industrial-grade power meets five-star luxury. That's all for today on Honest Ride Radar. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment on where you'd take this ultimate motorhome first. Catch you in the next one.